Ah, yeah, social media apps, either spurting up like vines or kind of dying off like Vine. VERO, though, is it any hope there, or is it all just hype? The little repositioning here, this chair looks like it has not been sat in decades. Ah, love handles. Might have to change that lower third. I am Yeager from YeagerShots.com. I always read notes off the phone, and today I guess it's a bit appropriate to use the phone. Even though VERO has a desktop app, the mobile app is going to be the one that most of us really do get use out of. VERO in 2018 had a few problems. Creator flopped there, almost protesting the fact that Instagram did not have chronological feeds, and among Instagram's many other issues. The problems range from you couldn't delete your account without getting in touch with customer service, shady fine print about what they're gonna do with your post as far as advertising and not really compensating anyone for them, as well as talk of having shady owners, where that really hasn't changed with other social media apps out there. But why people always gotta be bringing up old stuff? Instagram is ripping off features from other social media apps left and right. Ironically, I really want to see when Instagram rips off features from VERO. Outside, making sure Renegade doesn't run behind traffic. But honestly, VERO just sort of feels like a breath of fresh air to use. It feels almost like calmingly quiet compared to being on some other social media. Instagram. It's a great design, it just makes sense, it's pretty intuitive to use. And for photographers, we can post photos in any aspect ratio that is appropriate for the photo, whether that be vertical or landscape. And I gotta admit, it wasn't until it was brought to my attention by somebody else that I had not realized just how I was always defaulting to shooting in a vertical portrait mode when taking photos, even if I didn't need to, thinking, yeah, we've all been told that if you do vertical, it's gonna stay on the feed a little bit longer when scrolling, and we inadvertently just kind of got trained into doing that. And no social media apps that have that much influence over your creativity and artistry. Definitely not in that way. You can add links to whatever you like YeagerShots.com, where you can get photography themed and channel themed apparel, as well as digital prints and wall art. Obviously, video uploads are A-okay on the app. I was able to reactivate my account because couldn't ever get in touch with customer support to delete it. And it had some old video footage that I had posted way back in 2018. Zack Snyder is still posting stuff. I'll just unfollow him. Calls and messages are available in the app too. You can certainly set up acquaintances or followers. That is really a nice trademark of VERO and a great feature. Probably one of the more iconic parts of the app. Hype and hope can be in the eye of the beholder. So the most important takeaway for VERO or any social media app is please don't feel like you're obligated to join. I don't want anyone to stress over thinking they gotta post somewhere else. This was supposed to be the way out of all the negativity of social media. So really gotta ask yourself this question: do you want to be a part of a new community, or are you trying to build up your brand awareness? And there's no wrong answer there. The right answer is whichever one works for you. Whatever you decide, YeagerShots is hanging out on VERO. If you want to see how easy it is to use masks through Lightroom, I've got a video for you. Just click on that right there. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Renegade, are you gonna come in the shot? Renee's here. Hello, son. You want to tell the people what else they can do? Subscribe and never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com.